My wife and son went to a zoo lately and they took a cool photo of a meerkat. And I thought I would try and simplify that down into a cute meerkat for you guys to follow along. We're going to start with 2 circles for the eyes and then 2 circles inside that and then another little circle. Colour in the second circle, leaving a white, the smallest circle white. Okay, it's time for a rounded triangle for the nose and position that halfway between the eyes to form sort of like a triangle, 2 circles with a triangle underneath. Now, starting between the eyes, we're going to bring a curved line around and a curved line around the other way and then down and around. It's almost like a rounded love heart shape. Don't forget a cute smile, like a letter U, just in between. Now to finish the head, we're just going to bring a curved line over the top and back down on itself, like so. I'm drawing with a black felt tip pen today. You might like to use pencil, it's up to you. Now just a couple of rounded shapes there, rounded triangles, and colour them in. They are the little ears. And there we have our cute little meerkat's face so far. Curve it in on both sides because they have a long, thinnish neck. And then we're going to bring those lines down to form the arms. So let's draw the arms now. Curve line come back in and then to a rounded point and then comes back up, follow the curve, and a little bit where the arm joins the body, we have like a slight curve the other way. So bring it down, bring the arms down. Now, even though this is a simple character, I did quite a few practices to get it looking how I liked it. And I'm trying to match the same on both sides. They have a little bit of a hairline through the middle, so I'm just going to put a little line through there. And then I'm also going to put a line up through the bottom there. And their hair goes either side of that. It's like their part line, like we do have in our hair. And forming an upside down T shape there, line. And now it's time for the foot. So I'm bringing the foot out, curving one to the right. And put the curve out, like so, because their body gets a bit wider as it comes down to the bottom. And don't forget the paws, 2 lines for the feet and 3 lines for the paws. And don't forget to do the other side of the leg. You're pretty much doing a mirror reverse of the other side. So curved line coming up and and joining those lines on, and don't forget to put the 3 lines in, 2 lines. Now I like to do a thicker outline around some of my characters. You will notice that on some of my other drawings. It just makes the artwork stand out a bit more if we have a variety of lines. So I'm going all the way around this character and I'm just going to speed that up. Now it's time to colour. You can choose whatever colours you like. I'm using some browns and I'm using a light, mid and dark colour of some earthy colours, and I'm using Copic pens. I'm going to speed up the video. You can pause it at any time you need to. Try and match the same values, light, mid and dark. Remember, there are no such thing as mistakes. It's all learning with your drawing. Just keep trying and keep practicing and you'll get there. I'm sure your meerkat looks awesome too. I like to use some pencil over the top to provide a bit of texture and variation. A few highlights with a white pencil. I'm just putting on a bit of an ochre colour on the lighter part of the meerkat and just bringing out the toes with some white. Happy drawing. I will see you next time. Cheers. Bye for now.